41% of US adults and 55% of teens in the US use voice search daily. Voice search was also projected to drive over $40 billion worth of e-commerce sales in 2024. When we're talking about voice search, we're talking about things like the Google Assistant, Alexa, Siri, and any other technology that will allow consumers to make a purchase by using nothing else but their voice and whatever device they're using. An example of this is if you have an Amazon Alexa in your home and you say, "Alexa, please order me some more paper towels." Not only is voice search already taking over, but with new technological advancements in AI, a lot of our clients are using this more so than ever, and we do think it's really important to hop on this trend. If you'd like to get this for your e-commerce store and you need some help, Interact One would love to help with that, but we do have some quick tips for optimization that you guys can take away from this video. You want to use more conversational, long-tail keywords in your product descriptions. Also going to want to optimize for local SEO and words like near me or close by, because for example, a lot of people might be searching things and saying out loud, "Alexa, please find me paper towels near me." And having that keyword in there optimizes it so that you are a top choice for the search engine that they're using. Another tip of ours is to leverage structured data, where you can appear in featured snippets and results. If you're ready to optimize your store for voice search, reach out to us today.